Your bitch want party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got the bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Diamonds are eating a lane. Drop the brain. I want insane. Pick up a chick on the chain. Pick up a chick in the flame. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi got brain on offset.
Can I get a hell yeah? 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 Can I get a hell yeah?
Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and today we have another wig install by the one and only Hermosa hair. I'm not even gonna lie, I really love the quality of their hair. It's just like high quality, girl. Like, it's like quality you can't replace. So they sent me this nice wavy like hair, girl. It's soft, it's long, it's luxurious, you know what I'm saying? I already bleached and plucked the knots and everything off camera, so you know she's good to go. But yeah, she's real cute. You see that? Do you see the hair? Thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up and we can go ahead and get into this wig install. All right, all the information will be linked in the description box, so you know, be sure to check that out.
Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Bitch, I'm eating a lane. Drop the brain. You insane. Pick up a chick on the chain. Pick up a chick in the flame. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi got brain on offset. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage too. Sounding like savage and ass. High-end cars and fashion. I don't eat pussy, I'm fat. I'm a blood, my brother crippin'. Bitch, I'm drippin', ho, you trippin'. Talk the waitress, I ain't tippin'. I like hot sauce on my chicken. I put a rubber off and I put hot sauce on her tip. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's 10 and 20. All these VVS, nigga, my sperm work, nigga. Bitch so bad, I pop a molly for it.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Bitch, I'm eating a lane. Drop the brain. I want insane. Pick up a chick on the chain. Pick up a chick in the flame. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi got brain on offset. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset. Flipping this bitch at your bitch. Look up a check at your bitch. Us to the coupe and the inches. I fuck up a bag at the Fendi. I fuck up a bag in the Fendi. Who you know trip like this? Who you know build like this? I fuck a shit like a dude. Pull up and pop at your crew. Coming at you. They say you basic. I pull up the rollie with diamonds. I pull up the attic with bracelet. I got your bitches, she naked. Kiss on the cake when I bake it. I'm switching leads in the range. So put the dick for the brand. So put your bitch for your lane. So put the chef for the fame. I said them Cardi B, Cardi and brand. Your bitch want party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Bitch, I'm eating a lane. Drop the brain. I want insane. Pick up a chick on the chain. Pick up a chick in the flame. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi got brain on offset. Crazy can make you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset.
Girl, the way you move it out, got
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow, and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
When I changed the score, you said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just a little beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So being tame, they'd rather be wild. This bandit, they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out, hate me. Bring my problems. I'm not all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You're not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad.
Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna be honest, I started doing my hair about 8 o'clock this morning. I took about 2 naps while doing my hair. And to be honest, that's the key to a good install. a nap or two. This hair is from Hermosa Hair. All, of course, per usual, all of the, you know, information, all that will be linked in the description box below. Girl, like me, I said that 12,000 times. Go ahead and check it out, girl. We finna be twinning. Ooh, we twinning. But yeah, she do her due diligence. She do her due diligence. All right, that's just about for today's video. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I will see you the next time I decide to do my hair with y'all, which will be here soon coming out. I almost promise you. Okay, bye. Love you.